Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. I just mounted this and it was super easy to my ceiling. A great thing about this comes with double stick tape or wall mounts to where you can put it pretty much anywhere. And it is a great smoke detector that's going to really have great durability and it's going to keep your family safe. So if you haven't replaced your smoke detectors, remember there's a shelf life on those and you need to replace the whole unit every once in a while. So it's time to pick up one of these for every room in your house. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. All right, so what's so fantastic about this tiny hockey puck size smoke detector? Well, the cool thing is it's not just ionized, it's photoelectric. That means you're going to have dual sensors to pick up smoke. On average, it takes 10 to 15 minutes of smoke before your smoke detector is able to pick it up. This is going to be a much quicker response time, which is going to be a much safer aspect for your family. So just imagine there's a little bit of smoke in the air. There's smoke coming from one of the bedrooms and it doesn't get picked up for 15 minutes. That can be catastrophic. Not with this little guy right here. This is gonna do it in about 2 minutes, and that makes a world of difference. There's also kind of a sleep mode. If the low battery alarm is going off, go ahead and hit test, and it'll give you 10 hours of uninterrupted, no notifications. You can go back to bed and replace the battery in the morning. So that's pretty awesome. Also, folks, don't forget that there's some incredible sales, Black Friday, and more. So check out the link below for all that information. All right, folks. Now I'm going to ask you, how important is it to be able to pick up and detect smoke in a few minutes? It's really important, right? So you're going to want to go ahead and pick this up. Get one for every bedroom in your house. This is going to make a world of difference. All right, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstration. I only show you products that are elite because we're Elite Demonstrations, and this is the best of the best. So you're going to want to pick it up so you can forget the rest. All right, stick around for our up-close portion of the video where you get to see all the product details. All right, folks, now we're looking at the up-close portion of our video. ECOEY, ECOE, I hope I pronounced that right. This is a photoelectric smoke alarm. It's a smoke alarm. It has a 9-volt battery and an 85 decibel alarm. That's right. So it gives you some basic information of how to mount it. And pretty straightforward. 9 volt, 85 decibels, the amperage, the alarm sensitivity, etc. Let's go ahead and take a look. Now, I'm a big fan of this brand. It's a brand that's been around for quite a while, and they make high quality alarms. Now, I do like how lightweight this is, and the footprint of it is pretty small, so you're not taking up a bunch of real estate. Now, the big thing about this is that it will last for quite a while, season after season, and it does come with your 9-volt battery for long last. So, folks, if you're looking for a smoke alarm to replace the ones in your house, this may indeed be the product for you. I'm very excited to check it out. And yeah, I'm way overdue for a new smoke alarm. So this is a big deal for me. All right, folks, go ahead, pick yours up. Let's see what else comes with it. It looks like double stick tape if that's how you want to apply it. That's going to be super simple for application as well. All right, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and get yours. All right. Thanks again for watching. Again, ECOEY, a reputable brand smoke alarm, and this thing is fantastic. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.